What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today I'm just going to tell you about the error on a PlayStation 5 error, how to fix the error CE-30095-7. I can't start the application, your application is not working or your game is not working. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side here, and here we go to the screen. Here we are the screen. You just must check the application is up to date. Here we go, just press the option button on your controller and then check the update. Your application must be updated, and after that you go to settings, and here you are, go to the system software update, and you must have an updated system software. And after that you go to the initialization. Here you have a default setting. You must go to default setting, but I'm just going to suggest you just simply turn off your PlayStation 4 and go to the safe mode. In the safe mode, you have a rebuild database. You simply just rebuild database. Rebuilding database, then your corrupted file will be deleted and your application will be worked. So that's how you can fix this error, and I hope you found my video helpful for you. If you need any other queries or any other help, you just watch my videos, and see you soon for the next one.